Hi, Tony Shives coming to you from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to talk about wiper blades. How often do you change them? When do I change them? Well, the obvious answer is when I can't see, right? Believe it or not, wiper blades do have shelf life. The manufacturers tell us that, especially in heat areas, you need to replace them every 6 months. Obviously, when you can't see and then start making streaks or the rubber gets dry, it's time to replace them. If you don't know, come in and see us so we can help you. But there are actually different styles and different ways that wiper blades go on. This is the most common way. Just pick up the arm, and underneath there's a small tab. Pull the tab, slide the arm down. Grab your new blade, and it just snaps right in place. And I always check them a couple of times because I have had a few wiper blades come off. So I'll obviously just check to make sure it's locked in place. It is pretty simple. Now I will tell you that there's some new arms out there. When I first saw the first one, it took me 20 minutes to figure out. I thought, man, I'm college educated, been working on cars all my life. If you need questions, if you have help or need questions or want help, come in and see us. Thank you.